Hello everyone, welcome to Sapingi channel. I am Swapni Karat. This is my new student. She is in fourth standard and she speak well and she read as well. Because I was shocked that she is in only fourth standard and she can read clearly and confidently. That's why today our this is her first day. But still we are making or shooting video. So I hope you will learn something from her and be confident. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe to Sapingi channel. Bye.
My name is Today I learn English class 4B. I am in 4th standard.
That's a great one. So she will gonna read this chapter for us.
Who are you? Listen, learn, read with me and enact. शिका, ऐका, शिका माझ्याबरोबर मोठ्याने वाचा आणि सादर करा. Student 1 said, "Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you?" Student 2 said, "I am a smart white rabbit. I eat cabbage." Student 1 said, Student 3 said, "Hello, I am a juicy, crunchy carrot. Who are you?" Student 2 said, "I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots." Student 3 said, Student 4 said, "Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you?" Student 2 said, "I am a smart white rabbit. I eat tomatoes." Student 4 said, Student 5 said, "Hello, I am a green fresh vegetable. Who are you?" Student 2 said, "I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables." Student 5 said, Student 6 said, "Hello, who are you?" Student 2 said, "I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you?" Student 6 said, "I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbit." Student 2 Student 6 said.
Okay, Rajnavi. This is the ती फक्त किती वर्षाची तुम्ही 14 वर्षाची 10 वर्षाची आहे की तर 10 वर्षाची असतात तेवढी क्लिअर असते कॉन्फिडन्स आहे तर एकदम चांगला वाटलं त्याला वाचून आणि तिने थोडं भरपूर वाचलं थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग इफ यू लाईक द व्हिडिओ देन प्लीज सबस्क्राईब टू चॅनल. बाय बाय.